Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to reset Roblox profile picture. Go to roblox.com and click on your profile from the top right corner. In a new tab, you need to open the roblox.github. Here, you need to copy this code displaying on your screen. Once you're done copying it, go back to the Roblox page. Now right-click on this page and go to Inspect. After that, click on Console right next to the elements. Scroll down and paste the copied text in the end. Now we need to change a couple of things in this code. First, scroll down here where it says distance scale is currently set to 2, you need to delete it and set it as 1. Then underneath the thumbnail type, which is down here, you need to change it from 1 to 2. Once it is done, press enter. If it's worked, you'll see at the bottom it says success true. Now you need to refresh the Roblox profile page. So this is how you can reset Roblox profile pictures. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.